Hello everyone, my name is Roberto Rabasco and I'm one of the founders of Orvium, an official CERN spin-off and edtech startup. Today I would like to introduce you to Tycho, an open data protocol for research data. The most important research funding agencies like Horizon 2020 or Planets require all research performed with their funds to be published under open science, making science more efficient, reliable, and responsive to societal changes. A key area under open science is open research data, scientific research data with no restrictions on its access. Europe requires research data to be fair and open by default, but most of the times this data contains personal information, and this is an important concern for researchers, like for example, Marta Teperek, the head of the research data services at 40U Research Data. Um, she is a very well-known professional in data stewardship in Europe, and she basically explained to us that they store important amounts of personal data used for research purposes, and a solution to preserve data privacy is very necessary. Then the question is, how can we help researchers funded by open science organizations to comply with GDPR? Well, here is where Tycho can help. Tycho enables both researchers and data donors to share research data while they comply with GDPR regulations using a human-centric approach. Basically, researchers just need to publish a call for data for a particular research, and donors decide whether they want to submit their data to the call or not. A call for data describes the research itself, the data processing method, it stores donors' consent following GDPR, and most importantly, it makes data findable to other researchers by using FAIR principles. An important use case for Delft Technical University, where different research teams could benefit from using the same dataset to their different projects. Finally, donors can submit to a call for data and first manage the data share, when, to whom, and for what purpose. And second, donors can store their consents, transactions, usages, revocations as a transparent and publicly available proof of existence persisted in the blockchain with a human-centric approach. Our clients are entities working with open data from labs, research centers, hospitals, pharma, universities, etc. Our suppliers are obviously the data donors themselves, and our partners, Orvium, as a CERN spin-off, is in contact with different universities and research institutions, and some of them, like TU Delft University, already expressed their interest in Tycho signing a pilot with us. Regarding addressable market, a recent study done by the European Bioinformatics Institute estimates the benefits of open data at 1.3 billion euros per year just by making scientific information freely available. In terms of our traction, thanks to the DAPSI program, we've completed the different goals we established at the beginning of the program, from project ideation, analysis, customer interviewing, prototyping, design, and application development. And now we can offer an open and publicly available service to all researchers willing to collect research data under GDPR regulation. And our app is open and fully functional. In the screen, you can see different calls for data created in our live environment, waiting for donors. These calls are accessible to other researchers to maximize data discoverability using metadata, keywords, and so on. In terms of portability, Tycho enables a REST API deployed using serverless technology. This enables our services to be globally distributed and automatically scalable, which provides high demand capability of data to be transferred from one environment to another. This technology is also efficient because with serverless, Tycho only scales based on the current demand, which provides the appropriate performance relative to the amount of active users each time. To improve maintainability, we provide documentation for all parts in Tycho. For example, for the API, we use OpenAPI specification, which allows to easily see all functionality and generate API clients seamlessly to any easy integration with Tycho. Tycho uses latest open source UX technology for usability called Angular to provide a very user-friendly interface for the best user experience. And we are open source, so we invite all developers to the big Tycho family. Finally, Tycho uses a SaaS model with 3 different plans tailored to the needs of our customers, and driven by our key traction metric, which is the consent logs. one free for independent researchers with limited functionality, one for small labs or hospitals, and finally one for universities, pharma, and research centers. Thank you very much.